This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp empanadas, easy method. Start by thawing and patting dry 1 pound of shrimp, then chop coarsely and sauté with onion, garlic, and bell pepper until opaque. Season with paprika, salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Stir in softened cream cheese and let the mixture cool completely. Keep the dough chilled and work quickly to maintain flaky texture for best results now. Warm and friendly. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet, then sauté diced onion, garlic, and bell pepper until soft and fragrant. Add chopped shrimp and cook briefly until just opaque to avoid toughness. Season with paprika, salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon, then fold in softened cream cheese for creaminess. Allow the filling to cool fully before using to keep the dough crisp and prevent leaking during cooking. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading anywhere, maybe even while waiting for empanadas to finish cooking, and it feels handy between kitchen tasks. Check the description for the product link and other deals to snag one if you like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Gently roll dough to the desired size, about 3.5 inches for small empanadas, and cut rounds. Place a spoonful of cooled filling in the center, fold and press edges together, using egg wash to help seal and crimp with a fork. For baking, brush tops with egg wash and bake at 400 degrees F until golden. For frying, cook until crisp and drain on paper towels. Serve warm with a squeeze of lime and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.